Good morning, this is Dr. Turner for Fundamental Mathematics. Today we're going to be doing 2.2, which is multiplying and dividing fractions. We'll go ahead and just hop right into it. Multiplying fractions is pretty straightforward. All you have to do is just multiply straight across, and if you can, simplify. So this is probably the easiest one students have the most comfort with. So if I have something like 4/3 times 2/5, to get this answer, I'm just multiplying straight across. 4 times 2, 3 times 5. As always, if you can, simplify. Number 2, 7/3 times 1/9. 7 times 1, 3 times 9. Simplify if you can. Number 3, 4/5 times 7/3. Multiply across. 4 times 7, 5 times 3. Simplify if you can, etc., etc. Now, I keep saying simplify if you can. The reason I'm not showing you ones where you can simplify is because we're going to talk about that in the next section. But it is possible to end up with a fraction that you can simplify. So for instance, let's say I have 2/5 times 1/2. When I multiply these across, I get 2/10. When we reduce fractions, we're looking for any common factors in the numerator and the denominator. So because the top and bottom here are both multiples of 2, I could divide top and bottom by 2 to make this 1/5. So it's a way of simplifying the fraction, putting it in the least terms possible. In that same vein, and this is a little more advanced, but if I have, let's say, 3/7 times 5/6, it's also possible to what's known as cross simplify. So because the multiplication property is commutative, remember that means where you can flip it. 3/6, that reduces to 1/2. So before I multiply across, I could simplify first. The only advantage to that is if I do that, then it makes the multiplication a little easier. If I don't, I'd still get the same answer. So let's say I did number 5, but without cross simplifying, that would be 3 times 5 and 7 times 6, which is a little bit harder to tell if I can simplify or not. These are both multiples of 3, so they do reduce, which would give me 5/14. But if you're not cross simplifying, sometimes you end up with larger numbers. That's it for today, guys. If you have any questions, please reach out to me during advisory, during office hours. Otherwise, have a good day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.